Hi guys, it's Kate here. Welcome back to my channel, Happy Healthy Moms. Thanks so much for watching today. So excited to talk to you guys about this. It's a topic I have wondered myself for so long, which is why I took some time to really dive in and think about it. Super excited to share with you. We are talking about why am I so tired? I think that's something we all ask ourselves at least once a week, if not once a day. Why am I so freaking tired? Why are we so tired? Well, because being a mom is absolutely exhausting. It's exhausting. I'm tired. It's exhausting. Whether you are a stay-at-home mom, you work full-time, part-time, multiple jobs, I don't care. If you're a mom, it's exhausting. It's even if you're pregnant, it's exhausting. We're tired. We are tired. Raise your hand if you feel like you are just winning at life, if you do your hair, because I blew out my hair today with a brush and I felt like I was winning at life. Probably won't wash it for a couple days, but it's okay. I'm winning today. Even a couple weeks ago, it's kind of sad. A couple weeks ago, I painted my nails and I was at work and I was looking at my nails and I was like, I'm winning at life today because my nails are painted. Notice they're not painted today. Sorry, but I paint them sometimes. And when I do, I really feel like I'm winning at life. But for real, being a mom is just absolutely exhausting. We're tired every day. There's just so much going on and we are tired. And I wanted to make this video to tell you guys that just because you're tired every day and I'm tired, it doesn't mean you're doing anything wrong. As a mom, as a woman, just because you're tired at the end of the day doesn't mean you're doing anything wrong. It doesn't mean you're failing. These are some of the reasons why we're so tired all the time. As a mom, we're in a heightened state of awareness 24/7. It's legit fight or flight all day, every day in our brains, especially with small children. Even when they're quiet, you're thinking, oh my God, what's wrong? What are they into? What they do? It never stops. It never stops. By the end of the day, we're mentally drained by the end of the day. And honestly, props to you stay-at-home moms, because when I'm at work, I honestly feel like I have more time to myself than on maternity leave when I was home with both children all day, every day, 7 days a week. So bow down to the stay-at-home moms, because I think sometimes it's harder than going to work. Also, multitasking. As moms, as women, we always have 10, 20, 30 things on our plate on a daily basis all the time. I think it's just ingrained in us. We always have too much on our plate, honestly. We're always multitasking. You're going through the day and you're on the phone and you're picking up toys, you're making appointments, you're doing the calendar, you're doing the schedule, you're making sure they ate, you're filling a sippy cup with milk and you're wiping the milk on the floor once it's spilled. You're always thinking about what's next on the list. What is there to do next? So take a step back and honestly, good freaking job. We do not pat ourselves on the back enough and just tell ourselves good job just for getting through the day. It's hard and we're exhausted. So what are we going to do about it? What are we going to do with the fact that we're so tired? Well, let's talk about this. Because giving our kids back is not an option. We're keeping them. So what are some things we can do since we're always so tired? The biggest thing that took me a long time to learn and understand, and something I really want to stress, number one, ask for help. Yes, ask for help. You heard it right. I'm saying ask for help. It's not a weakness, guys. Asking for help does not mean you're weak. It doesn't mean you're failing. We need to stop telling ourselves that and thinking that as a mother, if you ask for help, it means it's a sign of weakness and you're not wearing that superhero cape today because you asked someone for help. Please stop. We need help sometimes. Ask your partner, family, friends for help. And it can be something little, I'm all out of milk. Hey, can you stop at the store and just grab me some milk, grab me some bread, anything. It can be something small, because even something small still takes that off of our to-do list. And sometimes that just helps us so much. I used to feel like I had to do it all. At the end of the day, if I didn't get everything accomplished myself and someone helped me, that, it was wrong, I failed, but, and why? Like, it's not a competition. We don't need to keep competing with each other. Like, let's support each other and tell each other that it's okay to ask for help. Like, it's okay. And sometimes, like, I love you, babe, I love you, husband, but sometimes your partner is just slightly clueless, and thinks you're good. They think because you do it all and you complete all your tasks at the end of the day and you don't ask for help, that you don't need it. So they just don't know, and they want to help. They honestly do, but they don't even know that you need help, let alone know what to do. Sometimes they just feel like they're going to mess it up, or, they don't know exactly what you want them to do. So just ask them. I started asking my husband, and I stopped feeling bad about it too. You're going to feel bad for a little while and then you'll love it and you won't anymore. I felt bad at first when I was like, hey babe, do you think you could like fold the clothes for me? And he was like, sure, because he just didn't know what to do. So, he'll stop and he'll grab a grocery pickup for me so I don't have to go to the store. So it helped me so much. And honestly, it helped our relationship so much because I wasn't sitting there at the end of the day resenting him and everyone because I did everything myself all day. Ask for help. You're partners, just do not be afraid to ask for help. And don't forget me time. We all need time for ourselves. Take a breather, re-energize yourself. Honestly, get up 20 minutes earlier than the kids. I know I say this in other videos, but because it's so true. Get up just a little earlier, have your cup of coffee by yourself, and just breathe. And I promise you it's going to recharge you for the crazy day. Ask for your husband or a friend to maybe babysit so you can go to the store by yourself. And I know running errands isn't that exciting, but sometimes just alone time can really help just recharge you. And honestly, on the way home from the store, stop at Starbucks and grab a coffee and sit in your car for 20 minutes and go on YouTube and watch Happy Healthy Mom videos and just, relax for 20 minutes, take a breath. It's okay to take a little me time. You need to do it. We need to take care of ourselves, not only with time for us, but also with proper sleep and nutrition. We need to fuel our bodies with good, nutritious foods so we can get through the day, and we need sleep. Guys, you gotta get sleep. I know it's hard, trust me, I know. But one thing I've always thought was that we have a nighttime routine for our kids, for our children. They have a nighttime routine almost since the day they're born. So why don't we have a routine for us as adults? We need one. Start making a nighttime routine for yourself. Go to bed earlier, guys. Go to bed an hour earlier. Turn off the phones, turn off the TV. That blue light really can mess up your sleep cycle a little bit. So just go to bed a little earlier, read a book instead of scrolling through social media, getting all worked up. Just go to bed a little earlier. Get that sleep. I strive for 6 hours. I would love 8, but in the words of Arnold Schwarzenegger, sleep faster. So strive for 6 hours. Please don't get any less than 6. We need our sleep. Also, a multivitamin. Make sure you're taking your vitamins so you can stay healthy. B12 is a biggie for me. I love vitamin B12. I really feel like it helps boost my energy. It's a supplement that helps with energy. They even come in sublingual tablets or drops. And, once a day, a couple times a week, just take one. And I really do feel like it helps with energy levels. And last but not least, give yourselves a break. Honestly, just cut yourself some slack a little bit. Whether the laundry is done and snacks are made for the next day and dinner's on the table, or it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon and you're still in your PJs, not showered. You're still a rock star to your kids. You're still wearing that superhero cape, probably to them and to your husband or significant other. Honestly, they all think that you're a rock star because you are, and we don't tell ourselves that enough. So you're doing a great job. I'm telling you, you're doing a fantastic job. You're awesome. It's not easy. So you're doing great. You're getting through the day. You're doing good. So take a breath. Just focus on your family, your kids, yourself, what's important. And honestly, try one of these tips, and I promise that you'll probably feel a little more energized throughout the end of the day. And even just mentally telling yourself that it's okay to feel tired, it doesn't mean you're doing anything wrong, can help. So just please remember that. You're doing an awesome job. You're all great. And if you have any other tips for how you boost your energy levels, or honestly, the mothers of more than 2 children, like mothers of 3 or more, please tell me your tips. Like, please leave in the comments how you do it, because I have 2 right now and I'm honestly, it's a struggle. So moms of 3 plus, tell us your secrets. Come on, I want to see you in the comments. What do you do? Like, bow down to you guys with 3 plus, because at 2 I'm like, oh my gosh. But yeah, I just try one of these tips and I promise that you will recharge your batteries a little bit to get through just another day of pure chaos. Because that's what it is. You look back and it's pure chaos, but you also love it. So thank you guys again so much for watching. As always, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel. I love all of you guys so much. I appreciate each and every one of you and appreciate all of your support. Thanks for watching. Let's all stay happy, healthy moms together and have a great day. Bye guys. Talk soon.